What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video inside of After Effects. Today we are using a really cool tool called Reducer to properly reduce your project inside of After Effects. You may want to reduce it down and keep certain compositions that aren't tied to your project, all that kind of stuff. Now Reducer, you can totally try it. There's a 7-day free trial. Head over to filmit.io. There's a link down below and you can totally go check out Reducer. You can get it in the studio. All you have to do is create an account on filmit.io. Once you're in your dashboard, you just download and install Filmit Studio, which is the desktop application to manage all of the plugins from Filmit. Now, Reducer's right here. All you do is click install, but with your trial, you also get access to all the other plugins, which are all very unique and solve a very unique problem for editors and animators. So go check it out. Now, inside of After Effects, you can totally reduce a project without plugins. That is one caveat to After Effects, but it's not that smart. So click the comp you want to keep, File, Dependencies, Reduce Project. What that does is deletes things that's not being used in this project, and it doesn't always work. Yeah, here it is. Warning, items referenced only by expressions are not preserved. That is why Reduce in After Effects does not work, because people all the time create controllers and use them to do things and save you time. And that's where this just doesn't work. I'm not sure why Adobe didn't install this or code it. It's really crazy, but that's why we created Reducer to solve this problem. All you have to do is you want to keep something. So you take your main comp, your main composition, and you scan for unused items. It's going to pick up stuff that we didn't use and do the same thing that After Effects did, but it will respect expressions, which is an important thing here. Also, you can just add more compositions to keep. Let's keep the credits composition, and let's keep the final comp 4K. And now we scan. There's a couple things we haven't used. Now, these are the 3 main comps we want to keep. We just delete the selected, delete these 10 items, and our project has been reduced and untouched. And also, this is the Stranger Things template that is on the Filmit website. It's totally for free. To download the template, you just go to Assets, Templates, and the Stranger Things template is right there. Click download. It's in Filmit Studio. Check it out. Now, this is the whole point. This is something that I needed to use for client projects because I just bring in tons of assets as I'm building an animation, and I just don't use a lot of them or get rid of them and don't actually delete them from the project. And when I deliver the project and export the entire thing, also the source files, the project can get very large, and this solves that problem. But again, you can try this plugin out for free over on filmit.io. Create an account, download Filmit Studio, and install the plugins and try them out. Reducer, along with all the other plugins that are included. They all work for After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve soon. It's probably done by now, and many more coming soon. And what's really great, it's all bundled together, so you can just try them out. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.